This is Ride, Walk to Leave a Light On. We're benefiting 8 different awesome social service orgs that do great things here in McHenry County. And people have a choice to buy these lights, and the money from the lights, LED string lights, goes to each org. Like a red string goes to CASA, purple string goes to Live for Lolly, and that kind of thing. And they can put them on themselves in their bike, and we're going to go on a lighted bike parade through the residential areas. They can put them on themselves, and we have a walk this year, and they can do the walk. Or they can put them on themselves and just hang here, and there'll be live music at the end for another last hour.
Cool, thank you.
No problem.
Hello.
Hi.
So you stopped there. I'm like, he knows where he's going.
You out? Yeah, so what brings you out tonight?
Just supporting the causes.
Cool. Yeah.
We're from Wisconsin.
Awesome.
Came down for a ride.
Yeah, it's really cool to have everybody here supporting everybody, and what a good cause this is.
Yeah. We used to live in town and we moved up to Wisconsin and we'll keep coming back. So we do.
Cool. Yeah, we even have the sheriff out here supporting us. That's cool.
This young man right here is killing it.
Yeah. He's putting in the most work out of everybody, this scooter kid. He's the hardest working person out here.
For my finger to find my daily dose of destiny. It's like every day. I do all the stars just like to get you through. Get back that I feel lucky. What's your name, Jerry?
Thank you for watching our lovely community event and watching some of this footage. Sorry if it was a little jarring. iPhones be like that, but you know, we had a great time riding our bikes through the city at night and supporting all these lovely charities. So if you want to like and subscribe, donate to these charities, the link is down below. Yeah, and if you need to get in touch with any of these people, you can reach out to Ken, Brenda, Tom, just any of the people. if you comment below, we can get you some support if you need that too. And yeah, thank you for being a good person, watching some community content, and yeah, have a good day.